Hello everyone. We may be living in a world of electronic disposable, but working peoples are not disposable commodities. Can we imagine our daily life without electronic gadgets like mobile phones, tablets, laptop, television, headphones, microwave oven, internet, Wi-Fi, even ATM cards, and there are many more electronic gadgets. Engineers like electronics and communication, they are doing all these things. Electronics and communication engineering is a branch which deals with all these type of gadgets.
Audio Jungle.
I can say electronics and communication engineering department is a place where students and teacher work together, do research together and work with their own hands.